Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some games for your Kinect right here on Xbox. So let's just go to the store. Under the store you will see this right here under search. Let's just go into search and then we're going to type in Kinect. Unless you guys know specifically what game you want. Once you type that in, let's just hit on search and then we're going to get all the games. We will see some free games. So for example, this demo right here is free. It's also free, so we're going to download this as well right now. Let's just press on get. Once again, it should say free. And now it's going to begin downloading. It's only 97 megabytes, which is very, very small. From here, we can see any of these games. And if you guys want to purchase any of these, what I suggest is doing is going to show all and then seeing if there's any bundles for you. Because that might be your best bet at this point in time. So right now we can see Fruit Ninja right here. We can see a lot of them. And if you guys keep scrolling down, you will start to see some bundles. So for example, we have this bundle right here. We also have this bundle right here. So any of these bundles you guys can go ahead and buy or just keep scrolling down. Now if you go way too down, you will start to see some things that are not games. These are just outfits. And yes, there's bundles with those outfits as well. However, this video is all about games. So what we're gonna do is just go into this one, for example, which is one of the biggest bundles right now. So if you really like these games, go ahead and get the bundle. It does come out to be better than buying one at a time. Or if you want to be really specific and you know what you want, then you guys can go ahead and just purchase one game at a time. Again, it might be better just to go ahead and buy a bundle. So from what I personally like, for me, this game right here would be the best bundle because it comes with these two ninja games. So in order to buy any of these games, all you guys have to do is just press buy. Once you do that, it will tell you right here, and it's gonna ask you for your payment method. So in this case, we're using PayPal, so we're gonna do exactly that. Press on buy, and then it's gonna begin its download. Again, it's gonna be very small, and then maybe we get some updates. So we're gonna check that out in a second. However, let's just go back. We're gonna go all the way back, and that's how you guys can buy the game. Don't worry if you guys still see the price on it. Once it's fully downloaded, you'll be good. You guys can go ahead and play it. Now, what I want to do is go all the way back. I'm going to go into My Games and Apps. And from there, I'm going to scroll down until I see this. I want to see what's downloading at this point. There we go. So that's the first one. It's 741 megabytes. And then we're going to see this guy. And this guy has been paused, which is good because we want to download these games that we just purchased right now. So we're gonna let these guys do their thing. I'm actually gonna pause this one so you guys can see the full size of the other ones. I'm gonna pause installation. Don't worry, even if you pause the installation, you're not losing your purchase. It's been purchased already. Now this other one, it is 3.40 gigs. All right. And like I said, this other one is a little bit less than a gig, but it's just around there. Anyways, that's how you guys can purchase these games. Go ahead, have fun with your Kinect. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.